Well, let's talk more about those China ADRs now as we count down to the Shanghai market open. Chinese stocks plunged the most in 8 months. Could these stocks be poised to fall further in Shanghai trade today? Sarah Burton is here with a closer look at why the answer may be yes. Sarah?
Well, Kathy, it was really an ugly day for U.S. stocks, especially for the Chinese stocks and the Chinese ADRs after the Shanghai Composite Index plunged 5%, snapping that 5-day winning streak. The bony China ADR index, that fell more than 3%. Now, some of the worst performers, you had PetroChina, CNOOC, China Unicom, they fell more than 4% each. There is concern, of course, that the government in China is going to curb investments and rein in liquidity to prevent a bubble from forming, and that could affect or curb economic growth, not just in China, but around the world. So that could take a toll on some of the Chinese stocks, which have nearly doubled so far this year. The key question is, are these stocks overbought? Well, if you look at a key technical indicator, the answer to that question may actually be yes, because let's bring up this chart. And what this is the relative strength index of the Shanghai Composite Index. The RSI was actually hovering above 70 for well over a week. There you can see that was the level just on Tuesday. It got up to about 81, and that's a real signal that it is overbought. Now, it crossed below that level today, and that was a sell signal for a lot of technical analysts. The last time we saw that happen was back in February, and for the next 3 weeks, guess what? The index, that fell off about 10%. So we could see these stocks fall further. We're going to see how the trade opens up and, of course, what happens in the session here in the U.S. tomorrow. Now, a lot of folks disagreeing with that claim, including billionaire investor Ken Fisher. He actually thinks it's unlikely that China's government is going to curb lending, and he predicts that Chinese stocks will recover, ending the year higher. Lots of folks very bullish on China, despite the run-up that we've seen, Kathy.
Okay, thanks for that update, Sarah.